Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how do you get paid on TikTok. So the very first way is creator rewards program, but there are some requirements that you should meet to get paid under that program, and the first one is that you should be at least 18 years old and you need to have at least 1,000 authentic followers and 100,000 video views in the past 30 days. Also, your videos usually must be at least 1 minute long, and they should be, of course, original. Once you are in the program, earnings range from 40 cents to $1 per 1,000 views. So, for example, if you have a video that has got 1 million views, then you could make $400 to $1,000. Another way how to get paid on TikTok is live gifts. So you can go live with 1,000 followers, though some people report earlier access. If you go live, viewers can send you virtual gifts which convert into diamonds and just then cash, typically around 5 cents per 1 diamond. And last but not least way how we can get paid on TikTok is brand deals and partnerships. So you could be micro-influencer, and you should have 5,000 followers for that. And then you can have brand deals, especially in niche markets. Okay, not last way. Brand deals is not the last way, because there is also affiliate marketing and TikTok shop. So here you don't have any strict follower requirements, but typically 1,000 followers helps unlock affiliate tools and drive conversions. So that were the main ways how you can get paid on TikTok. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.